Start by cleaning the glass itself. Just a couple of sprays of tint slime. Use a scrub pad and give the window a good scrub. Once the whole window is covered and you scrub the entire surface area, wipe away the dirty water using blue roll or a microfiber cloth. With the glass now clean, we're going to measure our glass. We're going to measure about 1 inch either side of the cuttable surface. So you can see here, if I pull about 26 inches, I'm going to be covering the visible surface area of the glass. So I'm going to pre-wet the glass with some tint slime, and then I'm going to go over to my film. From here, I'm going to pull 26.5 inches of film. There we go. Use my cutting knife. I'm now going to find which side of the film goes onto the glass. It's always the sticky side, so you want the release liner facing you. A way to find out this is to fold the film over onto itself. If it slips, that means that's the release liner. So what we want to do is turn it round, and I'll do it again, and you'll see it grips as I rub the film against itself. That means that's the film side. I'm then going to place this up against the glass and make sure it's flat. So what I'm going to do now is trim away the excess. So I'm going to run my blade on the glass itself, making sure that I'm not touching the vehicle, just the glass. And then I'm going to remove the excess. What I'm now going to do is use the felt edge of a felted squeegee to smooth out the film and remove the water from behind it. Keeping my hand on the film so it doesn't move too much. Once the water's removed, it's not going to move at all, but we need to make sure that the water's removed first. With the water removed, what I like to do is just dry off the film, because it means that being able to see the line of the dot matrix. What I'm now going to do is I'm going to heat shrink these fingers out of the film and make it easier to cut, and it also means that when you come to install the film on the inside, that these won't pop up during the installation stage. So I'm going to use a heat gun and my felt edge squeegee for this. So I'm basically going to turn this finger into a snake shape. I'm going to start at the bottom of the finger and work my way up. I'm just going to run this along all the edges until they stop appearing. I'm only doing this at the top and the bottom of the film. Window film's directional, so again we're going to work down and do the same on the bottom. Any fingers appear, you shrink them out. What I'm going to do is cut around the dot matrix. Now you can get a portable light or just a big LED bar like this and put it on the inside, and then we can see the dot matrix that we need to cut around. So I'm going to extend my blade and lock it in place, and then I'm just going to trim around the dot matrix. Film is cut to shape. We can now install this on the inside, obviously once we've cleaned the surface and prepped it. And that is how you cut a fixed quarter glass window. Film is